This exercise is called the bird dog level 1. What you're going to do for this exercise is simply maintain your back nice and straight. Pretend there's like a cup of water, a stick, anything like that on top of your back that you're trying not to let spill or fall off. And then all you're going to do is lift up your right hand, maintaining that tight stomach, tight core. Lift up your left hand, maintaining that same position. And then you'll do the same thing with your legs here too. So lifting the knee off the ground and then lifting your other knee off the ground. The whole time trying to maintain that nice tight core and that flat back.